Ma'am, who's the child currently with, like, as we speak right now?
She's with Apprentice Smith.
And you're requesting that the child live and stay with you primarily, correct?
Yes, full time.
And have you asked for him to return the child to you?
Yes, sir.
And he has
And he
not
told
done
me I
so.
would never. Yes, he said I would never get her back, and he's asking for her social security number to enroll her
Okay.
to a school near him.
Okay. I'll pass the witness and call Mr. Smith. Sir, is it correct that the child is currently with you?
Yeah, she with me.
And it's my understanding that you are requesting to be the primary conservator with the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the child. Is that right?
I don't have a problem with my child staying with her. It just she said that I wasn't gonna be able to see her no more, and she hadn't been coming to court. So I got her, so I make sure that she came to court because she had just told me that she wasn't coming to court, and I'd never see my daughter again. That's what she told me. I'd never see my daughter again, and if I drop her off, you know what I'm saying, she was gonna shoot me and stuff like that. So
Okay.
That's not funny, Miss Hall.
No,
Nothing funny about a custody dispute. If it's true, if it's not true, it's not funny. All right, go ahead, counsel for the state.
I mean, I guess, Mr. Smith, so you're saying you're okay with Miss Hall having the right to designate the primary residence, but you want court-ordered visitation as
I
well?
want to be able to, I want to be able to get her and take care of her and be able to like take her as my daughter.
And you're worried that if Miss Hall has possession of the child, she'll never let you have visits.
Yes, because she haven't been letting me have visits, and I've been trying and calling,
Okay.
and she let her come over here one time, but after that, it ain't been nothing going on since we not together. She haven't been letting me like keep her and stuff and do
All right,
stuff for her.
hold on, Mr. Smith. I'm going to pass the witness, and I think probably referral to district court might be appropriate in this case, and I'll refer the case to the judge.
And I'm not trying to let her miss out on school.
Wait, Mr. Smith, just stop. So the OAG has requested that their case be referred to district court based on custody dispute, and the case will be referred. Do you need them to wait right here so you can get anything else from them, counsel?
I don't think so.
Okay, so I won't be hearing the case. The Attorney General's office will get it set in district court, and you both are free to go. They'll forward you a hearing date.
I'll make sure that the court coordinator gets emailed, and I'll CC both of you guys on the email so that y'all know when the next hearing will be in district court.
If you have any other questions,
could I ask? Could I ask Judge?
One sec. Not me. You won't be asking me. You'll be able to ask the Attorney General's office. They can put you back in the breakout room and you can ask them questions. Wait right here, mute yourself, stop your video. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
So do I supposed to leave? Because I have I have questions also. So how can I get in the breakout?
You can wait too, ma'am. Just
Okay.
mute yourself and stop your video. Pay attention to your device. They'll put you in the breakout room and you can talk with someone from the AG's office, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Trenton Pickett.
And his counsel for the record?
Your Honor, my name is Gregory Houseworth, State Bar number 150-200.
And Ms. Myers, your first and last name?
Sarah Myers.
And counsel for the state?
Gabriel Artiaga with the Office of Attorney General.
Okay, court notes that the Attorney General's office filed a SAPSER. In this case, AOP filed on May the 15th, 2025. Court also notes that there's a counterclaim that was filed on July the 22nd, 2025, an original answer and a motion to transfer the case to Tarrant County, all filed by Mr. Houseworth. Okay, and counsel for the state, you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. I wanted to address the motion to transfer. The case hasn't been negotiated because we wanted to see on your ruling on the motion to transfer before we do that. The state's going to call Ms. Myers. Ma'am, without giving me your address, what county do you currently live in?
Dallas County.
You live in Dallas County currently?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
have you previously lived in Tarrant County?
Yes, I have.
And how long have you been in Dallas County now?
6 months. A little over, but 6 months.
So when did you move? So I guess you were in Tarrant County and you recently, 6 months ago, moved to Dallas County. Is that right?
That's correct. Moved back to Dallas County.
What month did you move? Month and year did you move to Dallas County?
April 2025.
Okay, so about a month before we filed our petition. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. I'll
So
pass the
that's less
witness.
than 6 months. You said you moved April of 2025, correct?
That is correct.
May,
April,
June,
August,
July,
September.
August, September, 5 months. All right, go ahead. Next, any other questions from the state before you pass her to Mr. Houseworth?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Houseworth, any questions of the mother?
I do. Now, ma'am, you have been in communication with Mr. Pickett when you were living in Fort Worth. Is that correct?
I have been in communication with his girlfriend,
Show me the
not him.
text with the address.
Not him.
Okay, here it is. Okay, thank you. So, ma'am, did you have a text communication with Mr. Pickett on August 1st, where it indicated that you were living at 6401 Hewlin Bend, Fort Worth, Texas?
In August,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure that Mr. Pickett and I don't communicate.
Okay.
So I only communicate with his girlfriend.
Do you, okay, you'll get a chance. Do you have anything to affirmatively show to the court today that you have a lease in your name in Dallas County, utility accounts in Dallas County, your driver's license registered to Dallas County?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and what do you have to show us?
I have my ID, government ID that has the address that I'm living at currently. That's in Dallas County.
Okay, and when did you obtain that?
That was obtained. I would actually need to grab my ID,
Okay,
but
well,
I haven't my ID with that on there. I currently moved out of my property in Fort Worth and moved to Dallas County in April.
okay. Was there some compelling reason why you elected to move from Tarrant County to Dallas County?
Yes, there was. It's employment
Okay,
changes.
okay. Are you, ma'am, are you currently pending criminal charges in Tarrant County?
No,
Okay, you deny that there is a bond or a capias for your arrest for driving with a license invalid.
I do, as that has been taken care of, and I have those documents as well.
Okay. Your
But-
Honor, I'll pass. And so just another question real quick. So when you relocated to Dallas County, did you provide my client, Mr. Pickett, with contact information as to where he would be able to find you and exercise possession of the child?
Yes, Trenton knows the address. He's been over here multiple times previous to the move, as well as, again, he refuses to speak with me, so I speak with his girlfriend. He also has contact information to his son. He's talked to his son via FaceTime multiple times. He had his son as of May 23rd, 2025, all the way to July 18th, 2025. He had him the last day of school, which he was with him from May 23rd to June the 2nd. Upon me coming to pick him up, he denied me access to my child and said I would never see him again. So he did stay with him up from May 23rd to July 18th when I came to his property with the police and with the standing court order to be able to see and obtain my child again. The police officer did allow me to take my child with me
Ms.
then.
Myers, let me interrupt. What order? You said you have
Just
an
the
order?
it says standing, it's just the regular, it says,
Who granted you an order out of what county?
or just, it says Court of Dallas County. It's just, it says just a standing order for this document contains sensitive data.
Are you
It's
stating
with
just the
just a
pleading?
regular
Wait,
pleading,
listen
just-
to my question, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Okay.
Are you stating it's the pleadings that was filed by the state with the standing order, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, just the
Okay.
original petition,
All right.
not anything.
All right. So, go ahead, Mr. Houseworth.
Your Honor, I'll pass the witness.
Any further questions of her, counsel for the state?
No, Your Honor.
All right, next witness.
The state has no further witnesses on this particular issue.
Mr. Houseworth.
Your Honor, I'll call my client, Mr. Trenton Pickett.
All right.
Sir, your name is Trenton Pickett, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And be sure to speak up loud.
Yes, sir.
You are the father of the child made subject of this suit, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have filed a motion to transfer this case back to Tarrant County, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in filing that motion, are you asserting that the residence of the child immediately before Miss Evans seeking, or Miss Myers, I'm sorry, seeking out AG services was in Tarrant County?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what facts do you rely on to support that assertion?
His schooling, dropping him off at her house, at her apartment. Text messages that we have as far as like picking him up, dropping him off. School emails.
Okay. So did the child finish school in Fort Worth
Yes, sir.
in June of 2025?
This past June, yes, sir.
Okay, all right. And so now the child is how old?
8.
Okay,
He just turned 8.
okay. And for these 8 years, you're telling me there has been no court order in effect?
No, sir.
Okay, and you all have managed to work a possession schedule that's suitable, is that correct?
Yes, sir. We've only been not together for maybe 3 years.
Okay, so when is the last time you recall picking up your son from Miss Myers when she was residing in Fort Worth?
She might have, I think we picked him up from school.
Okay, picked him up from school, okay. And were you ever provided any notification from Miss Myers that she had relocated to Dallas County?
No, sir.
Okay, and Miss Myers is telling the court that you're having regular and ongoing contact with the child. Is that true or not?
I just, from his tablet, yes, I FaceTime him.
Okay, are you having any actual possession of the child?
No, sir.
And when is the last time you had possession of the child?
Every day she came and got him from the house with that piece of paper that she says she has.
Okay, I don't know, is that spring, summer, fall? When was it?
July.
Okay, all right. So as to the motion to transfer venue, and understand that's the issue before the court today. She's asserted that she was in Tarrant County as late as April of 2025. Is that correct? Is that consistent with your understanding?
No, I thought she was still in Tarrant County this whole time until the paperwork.
Okay, until the filing by the Attorney General? Okay, all right. She's also asserted that you were well aware of her location in Dallas County. Is that true or not?
No, I found out where they were by FaceTiming my son's tablet and he telling me where they were at.
Okay, all right. Is there any history or pattern of family violence between you and Miss Myers?
No.
Okay, I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, so in closing, Mr. Houseworth, what is your specific request regarding the transfer?
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Pickett, we are requesting that venue be transferred to Tarrant County.
And counsel for the state?
the mother and the child live in Dallas County and lived at least prior to and at the time of filing in Dallas County. I think venue's appropriate in Dallas, notwithstanding the fact that she didn't live consecutively for 6 months fully in Dallas County prior to filing. I still think I think we have proper venue.
And Ms. Myers, what is your specific request?
Continue filing within Dallas County.
Court is going to transfer the case to Tarrant County, and an order will be received via your emails today regarding the transfer to Tarrant. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're
Judge.
welcome.
Mr. Houseworth, will you be drafting the order?
I'm certainly able to do so as a court.
Or you know what? You know what? I'll do it.
I
have
was
your
going to
email.
say, because he's going
Yeah.
to put it through DocuSign. And
Yeah,
so you guys
it'll
can
be
get-
faster.
It'll be faster.
Okay, perfect.
I'll
You've got
take
my
care of it by the
contact
end of the day.
information. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you. You're
Yeah.
free to go. Have a good day.
You as well.